This is roof drain number 2. This is on the northeast side, sorry, the northwest side, on the north flat roof. The one we just did is under that equipment right there. This is number 2. 65 feet 7 inches as far as I can go down this line vertically without not being able to pull my camera back. Right now it is borderline as far as I can. Here at 65 feet 7 inches. So far the line is clear. This is as far as we can run from this drain. Due to the amount of turns in the line, it's getting difficult to pull my camera back, and we do not want to get the camera stuck. So I'm going to pull out. We're going to move to drain number 3. This line is clear, is open. I can find no obstructions.